Disney, lledu'r bel. Dyma Lawrence Wilson, digon o le o flaen. Wilson I godi'r bel I lwybr. Andy Owens, Woolridge. Bel yn disgyn I Callum Morris. Morris, wel ai ergyd oedd hwnna. Dyma Bacari, Dylan Rhys o'i flaen. Bacari ar ergyd! Llai na munud ar y cloc yma yn Stadiwm Glanna Dyfrdwy. A mae tîm Andy Morrison ar y blaen. Manson wedi giro. Wignall, Dylan Rhys, ceisio cael gafal arno fo. Chris Baker yn dod draw I gynorthwyo Rhys. Wignall, Bacari, yn tadan bwysa gan Gito Williams. Bacari, heibio I Williams, Bacari cael ei groesiad, mae Wild yna! O, mi oedd I mor hawdd â hynna, ond gwaith rhagorol yn wreiddiol gan Ryan Wignall. Ac yna, gan Bacari, o'na 4 o amddiffynwyr Met Caerdydd yna. Bacari, gwych. Disney. Bacari. O, Bacari di gweld yr hediad gan Andy Owens. Owens, mae'r golwr oddi ar ei linell. Mae hi'n dair. Yr eilydd o golwr Esa Alto. Oedd o'n llawar rhy bell, oedd I ar ei linell. Pas hyfryd gan Bacari, campus gan Andy Owens. Rosgro, edrych am y cymorth, y peniad gan Disney. Mike Wild yn ôl. Bacari, ben efo Dylan Rhys. O, Rhys yn gry. Mae yna 3 yn y cwrt yn disgwyl am y creisio. Will Evans yn un ohonyn nhw. Mae'r myfyrwyr yn ôl yn y gêm. Connah 2, myfyrwyr Met 1. Creisiad hyfryd gan Dylan Rhys. Peniad perffaith. Danby. Codi mynydd o geci gyfeiriad Owens. Woolridge mynd o dan I hi. Wignall. Mae Owens, mae Wild yn y cwrt y creisiad. Owens, taro'r postyn Mike Wild. Ail I Wild, y bedwaredd I dîm Andy Morrison. Dîm yn hanner amser eto. Wignall yn creu. Yr ergyd gan Owens yn taro'n erbyn y postyn. Mike Wild yn y fan ar lle. Woolridge. Ceniad rydd I Disney. Ymlaen gan Wilson ac yna Bacari. Lewis, gwiriad at Morris. O, hyfryd gan Owens. Bacari, os na 5 I gei Connah. Bacari! Fe ddyliau bod hi'n ail I Bacari ac yn 5 I gei Connah. Owens, Emlyn Lewis yn ei dwyni. Ond at Bacari, wan Bacari. Gito Williams sy'n ei warchod o. O, Gito Williams yn cael ei wthio o'r neilltu. Bacari, mae di gweld Wignall ar yr ochr bella. Dyna chi gol gampus. Y croesiad yn berffaith gan Bacari. O, mi oedd o'n gryfach na Gito Williams. A Ryan Wignall yn ei gosod hi'n gelfydd I gornel y rhwyd. Disney. Gweld yr eilydd, dyma Rob Hughes, heibio I Woolridge. Mae Wolf yna, dyma Wolf yna le ar yr ochr gosa gan Andy Owens. Mae di gweld Wild ar yr ochr bella, hat-trick I Wild. Mike Wild, llai na 5 munud o'r gêm yn weddill. Y drydedd I Wild, y chweched I Connah, cweir go iawn i'r myfyrwyr.
You know, it's always nice to get the 6 goals. I thought a lot of our play, things that we started to look at over the last few weeks, come into play today. The quality of our crosses were much better than they have been, and our movement, you know, on the next phase of play was very good. And you know, I was mindful that they're in a good space at the minute. Cardiff Met coming into the game, I think they scored 8 in the last 2 games, and they got a lot of good players coming back into their squad. So you know, we had the utmost respect for them, but you know, I think it would have took a very good team to stop us today. I thought we were exceptional all over the pitch in every department, whether it was going to our front men early, whether it was recycling the ball, whether it was second phases, whether it was our set plays. You know, everything was boxed off today, and we were very good. And the right result, you know, most certainly didn't flatter us. 6-1.
I think every team in the league's allowed an off day, but I think it's in the manner at times in the off day that you have. But all credit to Connah's. I thought we got them on a good day, and we were particularly bad today. And just spoke with the players in the dressing room. I think the most important thing today is how we react ahead of 2 derbies over the Christmas period.
If I can keep playing week after week, scoring week after week, we winning week after week, I'm happy. I'm sure the gaffer's happy, and you know, you can't do it without the support of the other lads around you as well. So, you know, whether that's them setting you up, whether that's them giving the encouragement of getting forward and doing what you have to do. So all in all, it's a happy ship.
Just got to keep asking questions, got to keep winning games of football and see what it takes you. You know, I think that's, I'm not sure what that takes us on to now, is it 39 points? You know, we've got 4 games left in this first phase, and every single game is key now. You know, we're going into a tough period against an informed Bala team, you know, and we've always had great games of football against them, so, you know, they'll be no different, and we've just got to freshen ourselves up now, train hard, do our due diligence on Bala, and then be ready to go again, because it's relentless. You know, it's just one game after another, and we've got to make sure that we reach them standards every time we play, because today we were exceptional.
As long as it's mathematically possible, you just never know. Yes, I agree, coming into the season, our aspirations were to be in the top 6, and then it becomes contextual, because, you know, we've had 7 to 8 senior players out pretty much all season. Ironically, today we've got pretty much most of them back, and we take our heaviest defeat in about 8 years. So it's one of those things that I'm not one for celebrating in certain manners, in certain ways, or sweeping things under the carpet. You know, we've taken a heavy defeat today. We have to carry the tails between our legs. We have to dig a hole, sit in it, reflect on it, and make sure, as we said in the dressing room, that we have a reaction and a response ahead of Barry.